Can I get a free brainrot? He doesn't know this, but if he gives me a free brainrot, he gets Galaxy Lost candies.
Sure, bro. Psych, you really thought you could get a free brainrot?
I can give you a free one.
Really?
Follow me. You can have this.
Follow me, I have a surprise.
A surprise?
Since you was kind and helped me, you can have the lost candies behind you.
Oh my god. Thank you.
Why didn't I get anything? Scammer.